This soft roll-up cover is tailored for late-model Ford F-150 trucks with a 5.5-foot fleetside bed, so the fit and coverage feel factory correct. Installation is straightforward thanks to the clamp-on rails and pre-assembled components, avoiding any drilling or permanent changes to the truck bed. Once in place, the low-profile design smooths out airflow over the bed, which can help highway stability and fuel efficiency compared with an open bed. The vinyl surface and surrounding seals do a solid job of keeping rain, dust, and debris off cargo, while elastic tie-downs keep the cover secure when rolled up. Despite being very light in overall weight, the frame and fabric feel sturdy and resist sagging, with a protective coating that helps fend off scuffs and scratches. Model-specific sizing, tight stitching, and reinforced corners give the truck a clean, finished look and help the cover stay flat instead of curling in different weather conditions.